Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this lab, I'm going to show you how to route a basic calls between two endpoints via the Gatekeeper. Scenario is that I have a call manager that is registered to the Gatekeeper. So as an UK router, which is acting as an HTTP gateway as well as a call manager express, is also registered to the same Gatekeeper. So the calls from Toronto phone, which is a call registered to call manager, should be routed to the UK IP phone should be routed via the Gatekeeper, and we're going to assume the E164 number in this case is registered. So to give you an example, this is my HQ router, Toronto, and here my Gatekeeper is running, and I have both of these gateway registered, the UK router as well as the call manager. And as you notice, the E164 number has been registered, so therefore this statement is true. So the goal is that from this particular phone, which is the HQ phone or Toronto phone, when it dials 6001, we want this particular IP communicator phone 6001, which is registered to the UK, and it should ring. In order to achieve this, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your Gatekeeper registered. So as you can your trunk is registered. So we know that for sure because in this case, you notice that the trunk is registered to the Gatekeeper. Second thing you want to do is add that trunk to a route group. So we already created a route group called RG_GK, and this is GK. Second, the next step is to create a route list that will point to this particular route group. At this moment I do not have any route list created, so I'll call this route list Gatekeeper, and in this route list I will have only one route group, and that is the RG_GK. RG_GK. Well, we won't do any digit manipulation at this stage, so we'll just do a basic call to make sure we understand the basic concept. Reset. Okay, once the route list has been reset, the next step is to create a route pattern. Any call starting with 6 followed by 3 access, we will route this calls to the route list called GK, which of course contains the Gatekeeper itself. So what I'll do is right now minimize on my window, have the IP phone, the Gatekeeper debug as well as this HQ phone open, so that when I dial I get to see somewhat the background what's going on. So here I'm going to dial 6001, dial, and as you can see the call is ringing that IP communicator, and then here's the information that call is going through. So what I'll do is if I say show Gatekeeper call, at this stage you're seeing the call passing through right there. Okay, so that's the basic call routing via the Gatekeeper.